travel ulit. So I traveled again with my family and experience ng home again. My favorite country. Yun.
Super true. Making memories talaga kasi ka. Ikaw naman hindi.
Ano po isa po sa na-achieve ko sa bucket list ko is releasing my first single po. Kaya, thankful ko na nabigyan ako ng opportunity na magawa ko yun.
Oh, you guys have been so successful, doing so many things, and you guys are so young. Kaya congratulations, I'm so happy for you guys. And imagine you guys, this is also, I'm sure, one of your achievements in being part of the Instax Squad. How does it feel to be part of the Instax Squad? Knowing that, first of all, sinabi na sa akin, you guys are actually the first ever teams to be part of the Instax Squad. So how do you guys feel?
Super kilig! Super kilig! When you guys check out my Instagram account, nagpo-post ko talaga ako ng Instax photo. So, super kilig, very happy. So, it's an honor to be part of Instax.
Ikaw naman,
I'm super happy na I'm part of this po and I'm super thankful for this amazing opportunity po and I hope na in the future, matuloy-tuloy ko rin po kasi I'm really thankful kasi I really love ano po producer po. Passion ko talaga yung mga kaya I'm really thankful po na nabigyan ako ng opportunity like this.
100%. Feeling ko hindi na talaga last time with the Instax family. But recently, you mentioned earlier that you guys were able to try out the Mini 13. How was it for you? What was the experience in the camera?
It's so cute. Ang daming colors. Yung favorite color ko na dito. Ang daming choice. It's so fun. And especially yung self-prime ka. Kasi yun kailangan pindutin. Sa table, they can set up the behind. Take pictures with your family. Or still shot. Full body photo. It's like,
Imagine kung may red carpet siya, tapos ganun niya.
Gusto ko malaman, I know Caprice said earlier that your IG feed is filled with like Instax. Ikaw naman, you mentioned the nostalgic feels. Ano ba, would you say that you're into like mga vintage feels?
Yes.
Sa mga photos mo? Ano ba? Ibig sabihin parang talagang sinasabihin niya. Diba? Okay, ito naman. You guys mentioned you guys are fond of making memories. You guys love making memories with your family, with your friends. If you were to have a member team with you right now, ano yung best scenario? What would you take over? Best scenario music?
I would use it every time that I travel with them, or every time that we unexpected hangouts with friends.
Extended. Okay, ikaw naman.
Ako nung I would choose to take a selfie with everyone po and all my fans po so every time nakikita ko po yung support na nabigay ko sa akin, I will appreciate them so much.
Actually, I love that you mentioned memories, yung parang unexpected moments. Unexpected. O, diba? I love it. And I feel like, would you say, last two questions. Recently, would you say that this collaboration or being part of the Instax Squad was an unexpected thing for you?
Yes, ate, very unexpected. Unexpected na naging part ng Instax Squad. So happy.
Ikaw naman.
Yes, napaka-unexpected ko talaga and I'm really thankful po for this blessing that just came unexpectedly. It's really big, great blessing.
Grabe, no? I feel like they're the type of generation na, they grew up with the Instax camera and stuff. Tapos ngayon, ambassadors na nag-work, part of the Instax Squad. Yeah, congratulations, guys. So happy for you. Again, the newest, first ever teams ng Instax Squad, and not only that, our newest Instax Squad ambassadors. That's what happened recently. Before I let you guys go, why should your friends, family, supporters use the Mini 13?
They should use the Mini 13 to capture moments and to also keep it. So you can take photos with your family, your friends, or even a selfie.
Ikaw naman din.
Yes, well, we should use the Mini 13 Pro because they can capture so much unexpected memories of the and it can give them this amazing nostalgic feeling that they can look back on. And they don't only have to picture digitally, but they also have to physically. And it's a great thing to have fun. Yes.
So, but pag-ayos namin tayo, you heard it first from Caprice and Eve to capture unexpected memories. forget to use the Instax Mini 13. Once again, po, pagkakas po natin, Caprice Cayetano, Irene Morales. Okay, before I let you guys go, let's have a solo combo of review. Dito. Okay, can I turn on here? Okay, perfect. Okay, ito, tinanong ko sila. Okay, let's have Irene and Caprice muna. Okay, one more. Okay, one more with the Mr. Please. Sorry, let your mic please. Okay? Caprice, please smile. Okay? Thank you so much. Let's go on first our beauty film team. So I'm going to with you guys. Okay, first with Sir Castillo Yutama. Sir. Okay. Mamaya muna yung photo ko na first. Yes, miss you guys with a little bit. Once again, let's get our Caprice and Heath. You will see them again in a little bit. Mga fresh couples sila. For our beauty film team. At syempre, sa mga winners ay ng meeting green natin. We have 20 participants to join us because of meeting green. Ayan, okay. Mga kasalaman nyo, happy na ba kayo? Yes, happy sila. I hope you guys also enjoyed our mini 13 launch. Again, we are here coming out 22 to 30 at 2026 dito lang sa MOA HQ for the Instax Pop District. But of course, to help me in closing this program, let's call the manager of Image